today's project, we're going to put this exhaust onto our C10. So we used the universal kit on our LS swapped C10. We had pretty easy deal with this. It is universal, so it's going to take some cutting and fitting to make it work the way that you want it to. We ended up blacking out the tailpipes because I don't want to see them from the back. But just know going in that you're going to need clamps and hangers. You're definitely going to need a saw. You know, some time. A rack would definitely help to make it a little easier. I guess you could do it on the ground. I've done it in the past. The kits work really nice Mandrel-Bents, and it worked out great for this truck. Made it a nice simple installation, and just note you're not going to use all the parts. We had a couple bends left over and we didn't opt for the H-pipe. So you know that going in, you're not going to use all 16 pieces, and it'll definitely do what you want it to do if you're doing like a custom build, and it'll help you and save you.